I asked you not to fidget. Look at the lazy oaf. Thinks he's got all the time in the world. You're late.
Nice to see you too, Finley.
I've got a town meeting in a half hour. They don't appreciate being kept waiting any more than I do.
Look, who's doing who the favor here? You want to take your prisoner to Canada, go ahead.
I'm only saying time is of the essence. I don't mean to offend.
Is that why you call him a lazy oaf?
Be quiet, McLeod. I've prepared a dossier. Livestock rustling, highway robbery, and 8 counts of horse theft.
8? Just give me the keys, Finley. I'll be on my way.
In a minute, Marshal. This is the affidavit for Corporal Bennett. And this is the original warrant for the prisoner. And this is a release form I'll have to have you sign.
Thought you said you had a meeting. Anything else?
I think that's everything. He's all yours. And good luck.
Finley.
What?
Uncuff him.
Oh, yes. Of course. Here we are.
Yeah, ready to ride? Lazy oaf.
That should hold you, huh? Look, I'm only gonna say this once. Don't give me cause to use this, all right? All right. Let's go, Chuckles.
We're blood brothers, lawman. I'm James, you're John, huh?
Name's Jack.
You know your Bible? James and John were the sons of thunder. I'll call you Thundercloud, you call me Thunderbolt, huh?
You gonna quit your John, or do I have to gag you?
Oh, now, Thundercloud, how can you know who you are if you don't know your name?
I know my name ain't Thundercloud.
But that's what it means. You see, my Cree name, take that for instance. It means coyote chasing the noon.
Friends of yours, Coyote? I help you boys?
Name's Horace Cole. I understand you're taking this miscreant to Canada?
Could be.
The half-breed hasn't paid for his crimes on this side of the border.
And what crimes are those?
He sullied the honor of a white woman, a lady named Colleen Murray, who I had an understanding with.
Well, from the looks of you, Cole, she made the right decision. Now go on home.
This boy has to have his lesson.
Marshal, I'm sure you can see the justice of our cause. Sometimes you just have to look a little closer. Right, Marshal?
You got the 3. Then I never want to see that rabbit grin of yours again unless it's turning on a spit. 1, 2, pests. More like skeeters than men.
Yeah, you put enough mosquitoes together, they can kill anything, brother.
Come on. Come on, mule.
Our lucky day, brother. Let's go see Mother Nature, huh?
Stay here. I'll let her know we're coming in.
Yes, my brother.
Stand. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse... Morning, ma'am. Oh!
Hello, Jamie.
Hello, Colleen.
So, you gonna marry me now?
Just as soon as you cut me loose.
You're a dead man, McLeod! Come here, mule. Mule, come here. Where is he? Huh? Where is he? Ah, you fix it.
He's gone! Ran off and left me. He lied. He said he was gonna marry me.
What's your name, girl?
Colleen. Colleen Murray.
Murray. Had the honor of meeting your other beau today. Horace Cole?
Ooh, that snake.
Snake and a horse thief. You sure know how to pick 'em, girl. Ooh.
Well, you're a fine one to be talking about horse thieving.
Don't worry. You get your horse back. As soon as I run that coyote to ground.
You won't hurt him, will you?
Not before I kill him. Now, which direction did he ride in? Huh? Ooh. Which way did he go? Good. There's a mule down the track a ways. Can use him to get home. Come.
I said he went west.
I heard you. Come on. All right, Thunder Boy, Thunderbolt, Coyote, whatever your name is, give me my boots.
I can't, brother. I threw them away.
What?
Is Pauline very angry?
What do you think?
I had to leave her. What kind of life would she have with an outlaw?
Don't flatter yourself. You ain't no outlaw. You're a convict.
You married, brother?
Nope.
I didn't think so. Well, seems you and I aren't so different.
How do you figure that?
Both being pushed aside by the Marshall Finleys and the office boy who thinks he can buy you off for a few dollars. By civilization, brother. You're an anachronism, Craddock.
What'd you just call me? Psh. Don't you hear that? Miss Murray? Is that you?
Yes.
Come on in. No tricks now.
Put it down, Marshal.
It's lesson time. Half-breed.
Horace, please. You can't do this.
Well, you should have thought about this when you took up with that half-breed.
Horace, please. I'll go with you. I'll do anything you say.
You think I want you? You're nothing but a squaw now.
No, you can't.
Look, you hang that boy, you're just hanging yourselves.
Not if there ain't no witnesses.
No! Jamie! Jamie!
Coward! Half-breed coward!
What are we gonna do now?
Well, no sense wasting a good noose. Is there, Horace?
No, shoot me.
Dying's dying. Don't much matter how.
Just shoot me dead.
You're not so cocky now, are you, Indian lover?
Steady, boy. Easy, stand. Whoa. Steady, boy. Stand.
Colleen, get the knife!
Easy. Can you breathe? Huh?
Much obliged.
Don't talk, brother. Not yet.
Oh, Jamie, I'm so scared. What kind of man are you? Jamie just saved your life.
I know it. I'll make sure the judge knows it, too.
Oh, well, that's mighty generous of you. Giving him 10 years instead of 20.
Well, what do you expect? It's my job, ain't it?
Don't a lawman have any gratitude? Any pity, even? Tell him, Jamie. Well?
Go home, Colleen.
What?
Colleen, look, I got no future to offer you.
I don't care.
Woman, I said go home.
No!
You're worse than my Cree wife. What do I need you for? She'll fix my meals for me when I'm in prison.
You're a pretty fair liar there, McLeod. Let's go. Here.
Can't say as I miss your jabbering, coyote. Yep, a little peace and quiet.
Something I didn't think I'd find with you along. Feller can hear herself think now. Ain't that so, Thunderbolt? Look, if you got a bone to pick, why don't you just go ahead and pick it, all right? I mean, what do you expect? You steal a horse, you go to prison. Where I come from, they'd hang you for less. What do you think you're doing? Huh?
I need to take a journey.
Ah, so you can talk, can you?
I can't live in prison. My body will die there, but I can still set my spirit free out here.
When you do talk, you talk nonsense. Come on.
Please. Look, I'm begging you. Don't let my spirit die in prison. No. My spirit is there. The land used to be full of them. Now they're dying. Like me. And you too. Let them go. My spirit goes with him.
There's Border Town. McLeod. Hold up there, McLeod. Thunderbolt. Get up. Come on, get up. Look. I've been a lawman for a long time, and, well, it don't get no easier. What I'm trying to say is, well, you saved my life. I can't take yours away from you.
Craddock?
That's right. Go on. Go marry that girl who's too good for you. But if I hear of you stealing even a billy goat, I'll ride through Hades to catch you. You follow me?
You truly are my brother, Thundercloud. The son of thunder.
Quit calling me that, will you? All right, get out of here before I change my mind. Gosh, I hope no one saw that. Go on, get.
I won't forget this! I swear it!
You're really dead this time, McLeod!
Jack! What happened? Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm all right, Marie. Just a scratch. Get over it.
Where's my prisoner, Jack?
He's gone. Ran off.
And you let him get away?
I didn't let him anything. Jumped me in the woods. Before I could get a shot off, he was clear out of sight.
These are terrible burns, Jack.
Ow! Easy, Marie.
Let me put some salve on them.
It ain't necessary. Be all right.
How'd you get the burns, Jack?
Yeah, well, it's a long story. When I'm cleaned up and rested, I'll tell you the whole miserable tale.
Good. Because I'm eager to find out how you got a shot off without your pistol.
Well, ain't you ever heard of a rifle, Corporal? Or ain't you using them up in the British colonies yet? Huh?
Craddock?
Tarnation!
I want to talk to you.
Don't you ever knock.
About that prisoner?
Look, the case is closed, Corporal, all right?
I want to reopen it.
Well, I've said all I'm gonna say.
You deliberately let that prisoner escape, didn't you?
You watch your mouth, Bennett.
You denying it?
What kind of lawman do you think I am, anyhow?
The kind of lawman who considers himself both judge and jury?
Why, you pompous... Who's that? Look, don't let him in until I'm decent.
Come in!
Bennett!
Oh, Thundercloud. How are you, my friend? Well, I did what you said, and she was crazy enough to say yes.
He told me what you did for him, Marshal.
Oh, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah, well, we talked it over, and we decided that we don't want to settle down with a warrant hanging over my head, so I'm going to stand trial.
We told the corporal all about how Jamie saved your life. And he says that if you'll testify, Jamie will get a much shorter sentence. Will you do that for us, Marshal? Have we caught you at a bad time, Marshal? Maybe we should come back later.
Oh, and here, I owe you a couple bullets.
What about you dying in prison and setting your soul free, huh? What about all that, huh?
Thundercloud, I don't think it worked. I don't think my soul went anywhere. We'll talk later, all right, brother?
Quit calling me that. Get out of here. I ain't your brother. I never will be, all right?
Thundercloud mad?
You're riding for a fall, Bennett.
Jack!
Marie!
Oh.
Get out of here, woman. You're in for a rude awakening, Bennett. You hear me?